Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oukitel WP35. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oukitel. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct orders and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!